Here are the 10 largest malls in Pangasinan. In no particular order. CB Mall, one of the first shopping malls at the heart of Urdaneta City. CSI Mall Dagupan, it is the largest CSI mall. Magic Mall San Carlos, it is one of the newest Magic Mall. Magic Mall Urdaneta, it is the largest Magic Mall in the Ilocos region. Nepo Mall Dagupan, it is the first full-service mall anchored by Robinsons in the Ilocos region. Robinsons Pangasinan, it is the first Robinsons Mall in Pangasinan. San Carlos Town Center, the first and largest mall to use renewable energy in the region. SM City Rosales, it is the first SM Supermall in the Ilocos region. SM Center Dagupan, it is the first SM Mall in Dagupan City. And SM City Urdaneta Central, it is the largest mall in Pangasinan. Follow us for more.